Welcome to this energy clearing yoga nidra, a guided meditation designed to help you release fear, anger, resentment, guilt, and the heavy energies of past trauma and unresolved emotions. This 10-minute yoga nidra reset is a condensed version of a powerful healing energy transmission I did with our members, designed to clear and reset your nervous system pathways. In this shorter practice, you'll gently release unresolved patterns. But in the membership version, we cleared blockages in their aura, chakras, and energy field and purified their physical bodies, thoughts, and emotions. If you're interested in creating space for alignment with your divine essence, supported spiritual growth, creativity, and a deep sense of inner peace, consider becoming a member. In this 10-minute energy clearing yoga nidra, through the compassionate and transformative energy of the violet flame, we will transmute stress, anxiety, and emotional overwhelm, clearing space for peace, clarity, and renewal. Allow this time to be a sanctuary of rest and energy clearing. Let's begin. Find your most comfortable position for rest, whether lying down or seated. Settle in so your body feels fully supported, allowing you to completely relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth with a long sigh, releasing any tension, worry, or heaviness. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm, flowing easily in and out through your nose. Allow your body to soften, welcoming this as a moment of rest. Soften your face, relax around your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, and your jaw. Let your tongue float freely in your mouth. Welcome the quiet stillness of your mind. Soften your heart space and allow your shoulders to gently settle, connecting with the ground beneath you. Feel the openness of your chest and the ease of your breath. Let your belly be soft. Feel its gentle rise and fall. Notice the heaviness of your limbs, your arms, your hands, your legs and feet, letting go into gravity. Your whole body is sinking into the support of the earth beneath you. With each breath, sense restoration flowing in and tension flowing out. Now you're going to visualize, think, feel, imagine, or pretend a violet flame glowing softly at your heart center. This violet flame radiates warmth and compassion, and this violet flame will clear and transmute any heavy and stagnant energy within you. As you breathe in, imagine the violet flame expanding, filling your body with light and warmth. As you breathe out, feel any anger, fear, resentment, or guilt begin to be drawn into the flame, where it is transformed into peace, love, beauty, light, equanimity. We will now move awareness through your body. As I name each part, you can think, feel, imagine, or pretend that the violet flame is touching these parts, clearing and purifying any tension or unresolved energy. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, baby finger, palm of your hand, back of your hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, heart center, lower belly, pelvis, right hip, right upper leg, knee, right lower leg, ankle, foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. The entire right side of your body held in the violet flame in the loving arms of awareness. Left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of your hand, back of your hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, heart center, lower belly, pelvis, left hip, upper leg, left knee, lower leg, ankle, left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, baby toe. Entire left side of your body held in the loving arms of awareness, held in the transformative light of the violet flame. Left side, right side, whole body, whole body, whole body. Think, feel, imagine, or pretend that your whole body is held in the loving awareness of the violet flame, transmuting fear, anger, unresolved emotions into the higher vibrations of peace, love, and compassion. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. And as you breathe in, feel the violet flame expanding its light through your body. And as you breathe out, release all remaining tension and energy that no longer serves you, allowing it to dissolve into the flame. Breathing in, feeling restoration, calm, and ease. Breathing out, and imagine yourself clearing, releasing, and letting go. Breathing in and breathing out. Visualize the violet flame now surrounding your entire body, cocooning you in this loving and transformative energy. Sense your whole body lighter, clearer, and free. As we begin to close this practice, acknowledge yourself for taking this time to clear and renew your energy. Feel a sense of gratitude for the violet flame and its compassionate, purifying presence. Begin to deepen your breath, gently bringing awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting movement back into your body. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes and carry the lightness and clarity of this practice with you into your day or evening. Thank you for practicing this yoga nidra for energy clearing with me today. May it continue to clear and uplift your energy. Much love and many blessings.